How to delete Discord account permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen in here. After you press on You in here, you'll find a gear icon at the top right. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Account, which is the second option. After you click on Account, here simply scroll down. Scroll down and click on Delete Account. After you click on Delete Account, it will give you password writing section. You will need to add password, but if you own server, you will need to disable or simply make other people the admin. So what you can do is go to your server, click on the server's name at the top. After you click on the server's name at the top, click on settings in here. After you click on settings in here, it will lead you to this page. Click on members. After you click on members, select the person you want to make admin and then click on admin and make them admin. After you do that, you can simply delete your account. This is how to delete Discord account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.